Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to fix the MOM.exe application error on your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, you need to make sure that all the drivers are up to date, and this can be done by updating Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on check for updates, then select advanced options. Select optional updates and install any of these optional updates. Next solution is to download and install the latest .NET framework on your computer. For this, search for it in Bing or Google, and after that you can open the .NET framework page, download and install the latest version. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.